I got carried away and ended up dismantling the whole thing inside out.
The Lord, He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just wanna lift my hands and say that I love Him. I just wanna lift my heart in praise. And I wanna be thankful. I wanna be thankful.
This is our Xioami S50 Roborock vacuum cleaner, and it has been our trusted helper in the house. It has been a good helper for the past 4 years until recently it has been slacking off. Sometimes it takes longer than usual to clean up a room, so I noticed it has leaving some black trails, but I didn't pay much attention to it first time. One day I caught it struggling to close a small bump on the floor, and turns out its rubber wheel has worn out and makes it difficult for it to move around the house. In this video, I will show you how to replace the rubber wheel, and it is easy as Lego. I got a spare rubber wheel from AliExpress. You can find the link in the description box below. The best thing owning a Xioami Roborock in particular, it is the spare are widely available and is cheap. I got mine as low as $3 for a set of rubber wheel. I got carried away and ended up dismantling the whole robot. So since I went this far, I take this opportunity to clean the robot inside out. Now, let's roll back to the step I should do before I was overdoing it. You only need to remove bottom cover to access the wheel mounting. Once bottom cover removed, you now can start to remove the wheel set. It's held by 3 screws. One is hidden deep inside, so you need to equalize on it. Once all 3 mounting screws removed, now you can remove the wheel set easily. No need to remove the actual wheel, just slide in the new wheel rubber band on it. Once both wheel rubber band installed, just reverse back all the steps and you are done.
Positioning. Display. Pause.
So there you are, it's really easy to replace. I hope this video helped and entertaining. Now our little helper is happy to serve again. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Bye!